If you own a Tesla, I guarantee that you're not using at least 5 of these features, and one of them is way cooler than it needs to be. Let's go. So did you know that you can install custom light shows using a USB drive? Whenever you open up your Tesla light show, already you have songs that's already pre-programmed inside of the car, but your last option right here is saying custom USB light show. So head on over to teslalightshare.io, and from here you can download a light show of your choosing and save it directly to your USB. Plug it back into your Tesla and your car will become the entertainment. You have different theme songs that you can download, Halloween, Christmas, or just songs for fun. And the great thing that I love about this website is not only are you just downloading the song to go right back to your car, before you download it, you can actually demo what it would look like on your Tesla. And after that, you will just plug it in and select USB on the light show, and from there, the car will do the rest. Your Tesla has a lot of apps that it can use. However, to be honest, a lot of times you're not going to use every single app. There is a way to declutter your apps, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So first, we have some apps down here at the bottom, but if I click on the more button, or some people call it the dotted hot dog, we have a lot of apps here, and to be honest, I do not use all of these apps. In order to declutter, this is how you will do that. After clicking on your Tesla menu, you're going to go down where it says Auto, and from Auto, you have all of the apps here. Right now, they're all toggled on, but you can go through and get rid of the apps that you kind of don't use. Actually, I use Apple Music, and from there, it will hide them, so now you don't have to see all of this extra that you don't use. So I am gonna pull it back up now. Now, these are the apps that I will actually use. To navigate anywhere quickly, you can literally just go over to the map, press and hold on a location, and now it will navigate you there, or you can just save it as a favorite. And this also comes in handy a lot because whenever I'm out driving sometime, I can't think of a name of a place, but I may know the general idea where it is located. On the map, I can just zoom into that location and just press and hold it, and my Tesla will take me straight there. And a lot of people do not use the left scroll wheel shortcuts. Here on your left scroll wheel, if you press it in about for 2 seconds, another menu is going to populate right here. And from your left scroll wheel, you can control different functions of the car, even your temperature, fan speed, and you can just see it here. There is so much that you can control using your left scroll wheel. And also you can swipe for your temperature and also volume control. And this is what I mean by this. Over here, just say if you're driving and you want to turn your temperature up and you don't want to try to find that little arrow, put your hand anywhere in the vicinity and you can just slide it back and forth and you can see the number is moving, right? And the same thing works with the audio as well. Just put your finger over here in the area and you can go up and down and it will automatically go. The Tesla Theater offers streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, and also you can always see Tesla tutorials. But by using a website called abettertheater.com, don't worry, I'm going to link it down below, you can access even more services. Here you can see just real quick, you have HBO Max, which is one of my favorites, and you have so many more applications that you can see on full screen here. And also you have additional games, even the old favorite Tetris there, other music streaming services, and also shortcuts on web. So if you want to go to Facebook, Google Maps, and others as well. There is a paid subscription version. I don't have it, but you can see even ChatGPT, Instagram, and other things that you will have access to. Now, this one, some people may render it as useless, but it's still fun to mention. With your Tesla, you have something called Rainbow Chargeport. If you press very quickly, rapidly, the charge icon to release the charger really fast, about 10 times, your charge port will begin to go through the colors of the rainbow. Now, one of my favorites is that Tesla can sync to your phone's calendar. This is great. So if you put an appointment in your calendar, especially if you add in the address, Tesla will sync right to that. And you're also able to see the calendar that's on your phone inside of your car. In order for that to take place, all you want to do is click on the time. And whenever you click on the time, your calendar will populate. So if I had anything right now on my calendar, I would be able to see it right there. You do this by going inside of your app on your phone and go over here. You're going to scroll down where it says sync calendar to your Tesla. And from there, you will just toggle that on, and now everything is set. Tesla also has a mode called Joe mode. Apparently, there was a guy named Joe, and he wrote into Tesla because all of the notifications were waking up his kids in the back. Joe mode will make your experience for your passengers and kids far more of an easy breeze. All of those notifications that you get whenever you're driving versus putting the notifications all across the car, it will seclude it right here just to the driver's speakers. In order to activate Joe mode, we're going to come over here to the Tesla menu, come to safety, scroll down closer to the bottom, I believe, and Joe mode is right here. And we're just going to toggle that on. Every once in a while, people start freaking out, thinking they're going to run out of space on their USB drive. A lot of times, in my experience, that I never ran out of space. I'm believing that the USB drive is like rewriting over itself. However, if you want to have peace of mind and you want to clear out your USB drive because nothing exciting has been happening over the last few months, you can come right over here to your Tesla menu here and come over where it says safety. On safety, we're going to go right here where you see the USB drive, and you can just delete dash cam footage. And right now, I'm just going to delete it all. And you can see right now the number is going down, so it cleared off all of my dash cam footage. And for any reason that you would need to move your passenger seat up or down, there is a way to do that versus getting out of the car, running over there just to go move it. You can again come over to the menu where it says seats, and from here you can go up and down by moving your passenger seat. So I'm going to turn it around just so you can see. So now I'm going to move it back, and it's going to go all the way back. So if you would need to move that seat whenever you're driving, or if you're cleaning out your car and you just don't need to go all the way around, you can just move the seat up and back as you wish. Now, here's an easy one. Frankly, a lot of people just forget about it. And I'm talking about how to enable your emergency brake. What you're going to do is over here on your gear shift, we're just going to press in the park about for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And as you can see right here, the emergency brake is now enabled. And your Tesla has voice command where you can control different functions of the car with your voice, but your Tesla also have a sense of humor. And let me tell you what I'm talking about. With your Tesla voice command, I'm going to press your voice command about for a second here. And you can say, "My ass is cold." And whenever I said my ass is cold, the heat warmer turned on. And there are so many more voice commands that you can say like that that will have you saying, wow. And check those out over there on the top video that I'm leaving there on the screen. The other video, all things related to your Tesla and your finances. Be sure you subscribe to the channel for more tips and updates. And I will see you in the next video.